Hey everyone, once again, Rick here from Port Zero. And so today, in today's video, we're going to continue kind of where we left off in our offensive security slash tool series with a tool called Hydra. Hydra is a fast and flexible brute force password cracker. And today we're going to use it to crack FTP credentials on our Metasploitable 2 target. Kind of, once again, just kind of advancing on to where we were from where we were last time. So without further ado, let's jump in. Okay, so in our previous video, we found that port 21 is open on our Metasploitable 2 VM. And it's running an FTP service. So let's verify that with Nmap. So we come back to our machine, Nmap, we'll do a version scan on port 21 with our IP, known IP for the Metasploitable machine, 68.2.7.4. Let's run an Nmap on our Metasploitable 2, and we see that port 21 is indeed open. It is running FTP. And remember, we took care of we exploited the vulnerability in Metasploitable 2 with FTP last time because of the version, the VSFTPD 2.3.4 version. So now we've confirmed it is open. It's potentially accepting logins. So what we're going to do now is just test it with Hydra. So first step is we need a word list. So Hydra, it needs a word list. And, for example, like Kali comes with RockU, many different word lists, such as like RockU.txt, which has hundreds of thousands of words on it. So we don't want to do that. So we just want to be able to create a quick list for testing purposes for this demo. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a word list via command line right here because it's a little bit different. I just want to kind of show something a little bit different for those that aren't used to it. Most are used to just kind of using like your favorite text editor like Vim or Nano or something like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a quick username list. So we'll do MSF admin, and then we got the /n to be able to create for the next line. So for those that are understand coding, admin, summer, and Adam. So we'll kind of use those, and we're going to pipe these out to users.txt. So let's go ahead and take a look at that real quick. And there's our usernames. Okay, so just doing it on the command line, we've got our usernames here. So what we're going to need to do is just come up with a quick password list. So for this, we're going to kind of do the same thing here. So we're going to do echo, we'll do MSF admin again, admin. Let's do, some of the generics, password, and we'll do another one. Couple more, all lowercase, and then we'll do about just password 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then we're going to do is pipe those out to passwords.txt, and then we're going to cat that so that way we can see that we did this correctly. And there's our list of passwords. So the next step here is, since we do want to run Hydra, Hydra just being that tool, that we can, it's a good password cracking tool. So against this, so we're going to run Hydra. We're going to use the -L for our users list, users.txt. And we're going to use a $P for our password list. So passwords.txt. And we're going to run that against our FTP, our port 21 or FTP or our file transfer protocol. So, and then with the IP address of that FTP server. So FTP, and then 192.168.227.4. All right, so now we're going to hit enter and run this. It's now going to test our password list and against our username and password lists against this here. And as we can see, we've got, based off of our small test list, we've got a good combination. So right here, we can see port 21 FTP on the host that we put in, the 192.168.227.4. It did find that it was able to log in utilizing MSF admin and the password MSF admin. Okay, so boom, successfully, we returned a good username password. These are the default credentials, but now we're going to brute, but now we've brute forced them. So let's verify the login. So what we're going to do is we're going to do FTP 192.168.227.4. Then it should ask us for our username and password. There we go. So it's asking us for our name. So as MSF admin, password MSF admin, and here we are. So we're in. Hydra did its job. What we did is based off of our two lists, our user list and our password list, Hydra was able to successfully find the combination so that way we could connect, do an FTP connect into our Metasploitable 2 machine utilizing the login MSF admin and password MSF admin. And as you can see here, we've got our, we're now connected to our FTP. So we're in. All right, so as you can see, Hydra is powerful, but you got to use it ethically and only in environments that you have permission. Either it's your own environment, or if you're doing some type of pen test, obviously you're going to have a rules of engagement with a lot of permissions and within scope, so of what you can and can't do. So here, I advise you, if you're going to do this, just use it for ethical purposes. So just kind of a quick capture from our video. The one thing we like to do is show different little things here and there, and kind of like what we did is creating our lists on our command line. So it's a little bit different, but we hope you got a little something, or caught that and got a little something out of that. So in our next video, we're going to show you how to use Metasploit's multi-handler to catch reverse shells and take full control of systems. You don't want to miss it. So once again, stay secure, stay vigilant.